Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, girls. Today we discuss about the suggestions for improvement of public sector enterprises in India. There are expectations from public sector undertakings before suggesting measures to improve their performance. First is adding substantial profit to public sector undertakings in government revenue needed. Second is public sector undertakings should not add to a differential financial deficit in the form of deficit and subsidy. And third is they should reduce foreign exchange outflow by indigenization and import substitution. And fifth is should help improve the balance of payment conditions. And fifth is provide quality goods and services at reasonable price and serve as a model for private enterprises. If the above aspects are taken care of, then the above objectives can be easily achieved. The first is economic objectives instead of social objectives. The objective of public sector undertaking should be redefined. The undertakings have so far been used by government to achieve certain social objectives resulting in huge financial losses to them. यानी जो पब्लिक सेक्टर एंटरप्राइजेज हैं वो इतना नुकसान फाइनेंशियल लॉस उठाते हुए सरकारें जो है वो सोशल ऑब्जेक्टिव्स को पूरा करना चाहती हैं यानी आम जनता की मदद करना चाहती हैं डेवलपमेंट करना चाहते हैं स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ लिविंग में बढ़ोतरी करना चाहती हैं with increasing losses and enterprises can hardly serve any consumer, state or society. Therefore, economic objectives should be the main objective of public sector undertakings rather than social objectives. Social work should be the responsibility of the central government, state government, local authorities and the community at large. यानी जो सरकार है जो कि पब्लिक सेक्टर एंटरप्राइजेस हैं उनका मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव जो है वो सोशल ऑब्जेक्टिव्स न हो करके बल्कि इकोनॉमिक ऑब्जेक्टिव है जिससे कि आम जनता का वेलफेयर हो सके. नेक्स्ट इज द अनसुटेबल स्ट्रक्चर. पब्लिक सेक्टर undertakings have inherited an incorrect structure that is unsuitable for a business venture, and this is in a large part because this structure was established by government bureaucrats in ministries or government departments. Procedural delays, red tapeism, non-specialized and underemployed employees all have resulted in inefficiency and corruption at various levels of public sector undertakings. The structure of public sector undertakings needs a complete revision and should be given a business-like approach. Next is the capital control and management. Ownership is a in a private sector enterprise is different from management. Shareholders are shareholder of capital only. The board of directors has overall control. However, day-to-day decisions are made with business executives who have complete freedom regarding their operations. Now, okay, girls.